Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. I just wanted to chill with you guys, do a nice little PR unboxing. I've been letting boxes accumulate for the past few weeks, so they are in need of some attention. If I would just be able to speak English today fluently, that would be wonderful. This is me in my natural habitat. I'm not in an optimal mental space today, so that's why I'm kind of like... Here's the first stack. I'm holding it with my head so it doesn't fall. I've got about 5 additional boxes, including these. Okay, I'm putting this down. Oh. This is from Bakerie. I love their packaging. This says Sweet Tooth much. Got this gorgeous nudes and neutrals palette. This is the Proof is in the Pudding palette, and of course love the eyeshadow names. Got stuff like rice pudding, bread pudding, chia pudding, mango pudding, spiced caramel, whatever you want to call it, warm cocoa. I'm very excited to play with this. They also gave me this lollipop liner. So stinking cute. But thank you Bakerie for sending me this. Thank you to all the companies who have sent me PR and are sending me PR. Next is Ofra. They sent over some highlighters. I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you can see the products a little bit better. So here is the highlighter called Soho. This one is Covent Garden. It's almost giving me galactical vibes. Let me swatch it. Yeah, I'm getting like Xenon Girl of the 21st Century type feel with this. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch Soho for you as well. So here's Soho. Here's Covent Garden. Okay, next we've got Pixi. Got their exfoliating cleanser, their award-winning toner, which is their glow tonic, exfoliating serum, balancing moisturizer, and multi-use moisture stick. Next we've got Milk Makeup, and this has kind of been sitting in my filming room for a little bit, so excuse me, sorry. Okay, so I think it's supposed to like, you know, like ta-da. Oh wait, ta-da. I see the Hydro Grip Primer, but I'm like, how do I open it? Oh my gosh, you guys, how do I push, twist? Oh, there's like, wait. All right, so we've got the Hydro Grip Primer. Heard good things about this. Excited to try. Cool. Thank you, Milk Makeup. I think that's my very first PR product from them. So, is it? Yeah, it is. Next, we've got NYX Cosmetics. And, oh, baby girl. See, this is a sign. Because I don't believe in all that Zodiac stuff. So, the fact that this came already crushed. I shouldn't be laughing. Thank you, BH, for sending this book. Something from NYX. It's a pomade bullet. That's interesting. And they sent me all the colors, guys. Look. Yay, I can't wait to try. In the micro brow pencil, which I have on now, I use the shade black, so I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna be in this one. Oh wow, look at the brush, you guys. The brush is very interesting. I've never seen a brow brush like this before. Pomade on this side. Okay, this is a little scary and intimidating looking, but I'm up for a challenge. Fenty! Ooh. Ooh, I just want to have a good time. Here are the Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Duos. Super excited to use this stuff. Here we got Rihanna. Just beautiful eye campaign. Like this brand just knows how to do it. More liquid eyeliner trios and more liquid eyeliner trios. Oh, and this is their Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Very excited to use this. Ooh. And then we've also got the Scrub Stick. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Then we've got the Poutsicle Juicy Satin Lipstick. You know what? I'm just gonna do an entire video on this PR box alone, like swatching all the products, playing with them. But let me show you guys. I mean, it's Fenty. It's the only way. I mean, hey. This one is a shade Tropic Tantrum. But here's what Tropic Tantrum looks like on the back of my hand. And Fenty did send me quite a few colors, so I'm super excited to play around with these and see what they look like on the lips. NYX Cosmetics got another Take Me Back to Brazil full collection. You get a 4-piece glitter set. Can we just, this is gorgeous. This is flipping gorgeous. A 10-piece brush set, some lashes. I didn't even know BH Cosmetics did lashes. These kind of, I might have to rock these one time for the one time. And this I already own, so I will most likely be giving this away. Looks like the name of the company is Tao Clean. So it is a facial brush cleaner and cleaning station. Interesting. And here we've got a box from Black Radiance, and we've got Bella on the packaging, looking gorgeous. So along here we've got different eyeshadow bases, and then here are liquid eyeshadows, and they look really good. My eyes are, ooh, this one is called Star Studded. That, oh my gosh, that's pretty. You can kind of see it there. The camera's doing it no justice. The other one that stood out to me is called Paparazzi. Oh. I was thinking this was gonna be okay. Disappointment. I was thinking it was gonna be opaque, but it's like, it's meant to have just a few specks of like that turquoise glitter. And these each retail for $6.49, both the lid glitz and also the eye primers. I don't know why this was in such a big box. That's how you know how long I've had it. It launched April 25th. These feel heavy duty, honey. You guys, these feel heavy. They are not like, they feel solid. They're not like other LA Girl palettes I've used. LA Girl is stepping their game up. Look at that. And it even has a mirror. Let me know if you guys want me to play around with this. Look at this copper right here. Oof. Oh no. Why does this happen to me? And look at this gorgeous glittery shade right here. Yes. Look at that. Yes. Give it to me. And this makes me so sad because I would have loved to use this palette, but two of the colors were completely crumbleiana, and yeah, so now we're here. Now mind you, these two did have, like, I had a whole ton of eyeshadow on my finger because I was trying to pack them back into their little squares, so just keep in mind that that's what happened. But this is 2 swatches. Even on that first swatch, that shimmer still looked really, really pretty. Even the design is nice. I believe that completes all the boxes that I have yet to open. You guys let me know if there are any products in particular that I did not mention that I was going to do a video on that you want me to do a video on. If you're not subscribed, please be sure to do so, and also hit that bell. Make sure all notifications is checked off so you don't miss any of my uploads. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Youkeyy_. That's YOUKEYY_. So sorry I wasn't quite all the way, like, you know, super bubbly and everything, but you know, it's not everyday goofiness. Some days you just gotta chill. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for hanging out with me once again, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. And yes, my finger is still blue.